Добар ден, деца. Еве, полека стигнавме и до крајот на училишната година и до последната лекција, Unit 12, која што ќе реализираме во два дела. Првиот е денешен час, вториот трите страни оние кои што не се во програмата и следната недела ќе имате уште едно видео за последниот дел. Овој час ќе зборуваме за негативна форма на past simple tense и за правење прашање на правилните глаголи, меѓутоа ќе ги повториме и формите на past simple tense, потврдна, прашална и негативна, за to be и за правилните глаголи. И имајќи ги сите три форми на располагање, ќе зборуваме за минатото преку диалогот на нашите херои во нашата Messages 1. И ќе читаме текст за северниот и јужниот пол, кој што ни беше од минатиот модул. So, let's go to page 124 and look at the picture. So, what do you see? Or who can you see? There are three kids. They are Sadie, Lisa and Jack. And what are they doing? Where are they? So I think that they are having lunch. They're in a school canteen and they're talking about something. Are they happy? Not so, I don't think they are. So what is the problem, or what was the problem? We are going to listen to tape and you're going to read the dialogue that they are having together, and then you would answer my question. What was the problem?
Unit 12. Heroes. Step 1. Exercise 1B. Listen to Lisa, Sadie and Jack. Lisa and Sadie are in the school canteen with Jack. He's asking them about the concert. Lisa's in a very bad mood.
Was the concert good?
Yes, it was great.
Did you enjoy it, Lisa?
Yes, I did.
Why are you angry then? What's the matter?
Well, after the concert, we waited outside the theatre, in the rain. We wanted their autographs.
Did you see them?
Yes, we did. For about 2 seconds.
Did they talk to you?
No, they didn't. They didn't wave, they didn't smile, they didn't say hello. They didn't even look at us. They jumped into a big black car and then they disappeared. So we didn't get their autographs, but I don't care.
But you like the Brooklyn boys.
I liked them, Jack. That was yesterday.
Okay, on the right there are new words, and we've mentioned about bad mood, so they are not happy. That's the answer of my question. In fact, she's angry because she didn't get an autograph from their favorite band, Brooklyn Boys. So they didn't even stop or say hello to their fan. So the fans are Sadie and Lisa. They expected to see them, to get the autograph from them, but it didn't happen. Okay.
Unit.
So let's revise. Past simple tense. And if you remember, we've made the form with ed. Now we have did not, didn't for the negative form. So, ако сакаме да кажеме дека нешто не сме сториле, во минатото го потребуваме didn't, која е скратена форма на did not. I didn't go. You didn't have. He didn't see. She didn't knit. It didn't believe. You didn't eat. We and they didn't go, for example. Значи, нешто што не сме направиле. Ке се вратиме повторно на present simple tense, како што го направивме тоа во минатото видео, затоа што се работи за аналогија на правењето на негативната форма. И ќе го споредиме со past simple tense. Односно, доколку се сеќаваме, во негативна форма во present simple имавме наставка S која што ја префрлавме во кај do и добивавме he does not play, he doesn't play. И овде, ако забележувате и двете се simple tenses, имаме иста ситуација со таа разлика што наставката ed ја префрлуваме кај do и добиваме did. He did not play, односно he didn't play. Се надевам дека ви е лесна формата за помнење, затоа што е иста за сите лица, еднина и множина. So, let's go to exercise 4 and find out what's missing. So, if we have Liz and they didn't talk to them or didn't smile, заклучуваме дека негативните реченици во минато време ги правиме со subject, односно лицето, didn't, помошниот глагол, и verb, главниот глагол. Хајде сега да ги најдеме негативните форми во диалогот на Лиза и на Jack. You can stop the video here for 3 minutes and then get back. So, did you find any negative form? Секако во текстот има многу форми во минато време, но и ние ги бараме токму негативните. So they are: no, they didn't. They didn't wave. They didn't smile. They didn't say hello. They didn't look at us. And we didn't get their autographs. Така да, тоа се формите кои што ги среќававме во диалогот во негативна форма во past simple tense. Let's go now to exercise C. You can go back and listen to the dialogue once again and then make true sentences. Значи, потребно да направиме вистински реченици од дадените можности во оваа вежба. You need about 1 to 2 minutes to choose the verbs. And then we'll check together. So let's start. There was a pop concert last night. Lisa and Sadie enjoyed the concert. It rained yesterday. The Brooklyn boys didn't stop outside the theater. They didn't talk to the fans. Sadie and Lisa weren't pleased. Pleased is satisfied or happy. Lisa liked the Brooklyn boys yesterday, but she doesn't like them today. So, this is the key of the exercise, and we go further on to exercise 2 just to find out what are the missing words. So in the dialogue you see these forms: did she or did Sadie, which is interrogative form. Значи ова е прашалната форма. Did Sadie enjoy the concert? Did she get any autographs? И одговараме секако со помошниот глагол кој што го потребувавме во негативна форма, а тоа е yes, she. Did, no, she didn't. Значи како правиме прашање? So did plus subject plus verb. Ова го имавме минатата лекција за прашалната форма, а сега само кратките одговори ги работиме. Односно, имаме did Max play football? Можно да одговориме yes he did, no he didn't. Did you watch the film yesterday? Yes I did, no I didn't. Значи за сите лица се исти. Кога одговараме со yes користиме did и кога одговараме со no користиме didn't. So now let's go to practice and do exercise 3. Stop the video here, read the sentences and find the right answer. Is it A, B, or C? Let's see. Did Lisa like the concert? Yes, she did. Did Lisa and Sadie wait outside in the rain? Yes, they did. Did Jack go to the concert? No, he didn't. And did you see the Brooklyn Boys last night? No, I didn't. So these are the answers. Correct or check them and then go further on. So now we've got exercise 5 to practice the negative form or positive form of the past simple tense and to correct the sentences. Значи треба да поправиме нешто во овие реченици кои што ни се во минато време, да ги ставиме во потврдна или негативна форма на past simple tense. So, you will need about 5 minutes to make them noted in your notebooks and then come later to check. So 1. Sadie and Lisa stayed at home last night. It's not correct. The correct one is they didn't stay at home. 2. Sadie didn't enjoy the concert. The correct one would be she enjoyed the concert. 3. Lisa talked to the Brooklyn Boys. She didn't talk to the Brooklyn Boys. 4. They said, "Hi, nice to meet you." They didn't say hello. 5. The singers were very friendly. They weren't very friendly. 6. They waved and smiled at their fans. They didn't wave and didn't smile at their fans. 7. It didn't rain last night. It rained last night. Lisa was angry. After the concert would be the correct one for the last one, which said that Lisa wasn't angry after the concert. Како што забележуваме кога ги користиме didn't, немаме наставка иди, а кога работиме потврдната форма, тогаш имаме наставка иди кај глаголот. So this is the key of the exercise 5. And now try to answer and to make true sentences about yourself. So this would be something individual. For example, I didn't wash my hair, I cleaned my teeth, etc. As you remember, we've talked last time about time expressions, adverbs. Разговаравме за прилозите во past simple tense минатите часови и истакнавме дека токму тие се одредници за past simple tense затоа што кажуваат кога точно се случило действото во минатото. А рековме дека past simple tense е токму минато време кога знаеме дека некое дејство кога точно се случува. Затоа ги имаме овие повеќе time expressions кои што се наоѓаат на скалата, односно на timeline од минатото до сегашниот момент. Ваша задача е да ги поставите да се движат во насока на сегашноста од 8 до 1. listen, then to your teacher to check. And now do it for yourself for 3 minutes. We are going backwards. If this is now, the nearest point is last night. Then comes yesterday afternoon, yesterday morning, at the weekends, last week, last month, and last year. So, this is how they go. От најблискиот момент до now, па се до најдалечниот. But there are some more or extra that you can use. For example, this morning, yesterday evening, last Wednesday, last summer, last Christmas, whatever they are, but they should be connected with the past. Let's listen to them.
Unit 12. Step 1. Exercise 7. Listen, check and say the words. 8.
Last year.
7.
Last month.
6.
Last week.
5.
At the weekend.
4.
Yesterday morning.
3.
Yesterday afternoon.
2.
Last night.
1.
Now.
Okay, and these are optional or individual, and you can answer them depending on the day or the moment you're now. For example, what day was it yesterday? According to now, so it was Thursday. What month was last month? According to May, it was April. How old were you on the 1st December last year? You're going to say I was. Remember, I was. Нема никогаш да кажете јас сум родена, како што тоа го велиме во македонскиот јазик, затоа што точно знаете кога сте родени и колку сте биле стари во минатото. 4. What did you study in English last week? I studied. Question 4 in past simple tense. Did it rain at the weekend? I don't think so. So I think no, it didn't. Значи, со тоа ја заокружуваме негативната форма и за последна задача денеска е да го прочитаме текстот from north to south за двата пола на земјината топка. The new vocabulary is on your right and you can hear them. Base camp, final destination, extremely, prepared, situated, altitude, and trip. So if you see the pictures, they're all white because of the snow. And I would like to say something about the guy Robert Schumann. So he's 10 years old, the boy, and he was the youngest person to reach the South Pole. So we've got North and South Pole. Look at the map. So what do you think the weather is like here and here? So this is the hottest place in the world, and these are the coldest one. So it's very cold, snowing, icy, and freezing. Do you know the temperature is minus 30 degrees centigrade or Celsius? And I would like to explore what life is there on the North and the South Pole, and to write a text about these poles, about life, climate, and whatever you find as an info. So the animals that live there, the first thing that comes to your mind is what? Penguins, white bears, some whales, foxes, seals, and think about what you need to survive, because it's very freezing and very cold. So let's read the text first, and then we can discuss about the task, about the questions that come after. Robert Schumann loves traveling to different countries. When he was 10, he traveled to the North Pole with his father. First, they traveled by plane to the base camp in Canada. Then, they walked for 4 days to their final destination. The weather at the North Pole was extremely cold. The temperature was minus 30 degrees Celsius. There was a cold wind and it snowed every day. But Robert and his father were well prepared. They had warm clothes, good walking shoes, and expensive sleeping bags. They stayed at North Pole for 4 days. When he was 11, Robert got a mountain bike for his birthday. His father decided it was time to go on another journey, this time to the South Pole, on their mountain bikes. Cycling in the snow isn't easy. The South Pole is situated at high altitude, so the atmosphere is very thin, and this means that walking and cycling is difficult, especially at minus 35 Celsius. After his trip to the South Pole, Robert visited Australia, the Red Sea, Greenland, and Spitsbergen. Now he's studying at university. He knows exactly what he's going to do when he leaves. He wants a career in tourism. Okay, it's very interesting story about such a young man. And now, before you answer the questions, I suggest that you go to the text and find past tense forms. So we go from the beginning: was, traveled, walked, was, there was, were, had, stayed. This had is an irregular verb, ова е неправилен глагол, имаше. Колку само да го знаете, затоа што неправилните глаголи се за следната година да ги изучувате. Was, got, го доби. Was, we don't have any EDs here. Visited, and this is about now. Okay, so let's answer the question. The first one is, how old was Robert when he visited the North Pole? He was 10. How did Robert and his father travel to Canada? They traveled by plane. How many days did they stay at the North Pole? They stayed 4 days. When did Robert get a mountain bike? When he was 11. Did Robert and his father walk to South Pole? No, they didn't. They cycled. 6. How many places did Robert visit after the South Pole? He visited 4 places. What is Robert doing now? He's studying at university. Како што забележувате, ова не се прашања во past simple, tense, double H questions. И на тој начин ги одговараме со глаголот и наставката ed. Додека во прашањето го имаме did како помошен глагол. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video lesson. And for homework, you're going to search facts about polls. Можете текстот да го напишете на македонски англиски или уште поубаво доколку сакате да истражувате, да пронајдете факти за северниот и јужниот пол во врска со климата, условите на живот и така натаму. Втората задача е да го употребите past simple tense, еден глагол да изберете и сега бидејќи ги знаеме сите форми, да го ставите во потврдна прашална и негативна форма, како што правевме со другите времиња. И последната задача, to write a letter. And this one is angry letter, because Lisa is angry and she didn't see the Brooklyn boys. Or you can make an angry letter of yourself. Значи да напишете некое писмо, каква сакате, да го употребите ова на Лиза, или пак да напишете ваше писмо во минато време. И секако не заборавајте во слободните часови да се прошетате. So, enjoy the weekend, enjoy the days, and have a walk sometimes with your pet or family. Goodbye for now.